Good morning students, welcome to my class. Today we will study subject maths, chapter 14, topic how big, how heavy. So students, open your textbook, take your notebook and solve the sum with me. Now we are on second part of this chapter. So we are on question number 6. Find the volume of the following shape. See here 4 centimeter, it means length is 4 centimeter, height 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Here length, breadth and height all three are unequal, same नहीं है, so it is a cuboid. तो ये क्या हो गया? इट इज अ क्यूबॉइड और इधर हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? वॉल्यूम. सो वी राइट फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 4, breadth 2 and height 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Is equal to 24 and its unit is given in centimeter. So we write centimeter cube. Okay. See second one figure. Its length 3 centimeter, height 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Length, breadth and height. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. So length is 3, breadth 2 and height 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3 means 30. So answer is 30 centimeter cube. Okay. Then here see 5 centimeter length, height 3 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Okay. So volume of cuboid, cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So 5 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 centimeter cube. That is the answer. See here, length 1, breadth 1 and height is 8 centimeter. Okay. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. 1 into 1 into 8. Means 8 meter cube. Here unit is meter, so we write here 8 meter cube. That is our answer. The fifth one, this shape, here length 0.5 meter, breadth also 0.5 meter and height is 4 meter. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length 0.5 into 0.5 into 4. 0.5, so we remove the point and point after one digit. So I write here 5 upon 10. Same way 5 upon 10 into 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. It means 1 only. So 1 meter cube, that is the answer. See sixth one figure. Its breadth 20 centimeter, length 40 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So 40 into 20 into 30. So here 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 1, 2 and 3 0. So 24,000 centimeter cube. That is our answer. See here question number and 7th one, 8th one, see figure check कर लो. Then 9th one, this is 10th one. 10th one, see the 10th one, only one side 6 centimeter is given, so it is a cube. So you solve the volume of cube is equal to length into length into length. So 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So answer is 216 centimeter cube. Okay, so it is cube, and these three sums, it means 7th one, 8th one and 9th one for your homework. 7th one, it is the problem sums. So we first solve the following. How many cube having side 5 centimeter can be arranged in the cuboid box measuring 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter? First you understand, here is a one cuboid shape big box. एक बहुत बड़ा बॉक्स है क्यूबॉइड शेप का, उसके अंदर छोटे क्यूब हमें 5 सेंटीमीटर के अरेंज करने हैं और हमें फाइंड करना है हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स, मतलब कितने क्यूब उसमें अरेंज हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी नीड टू फाइंड नंबर्स ऑफ क्यूब अरेंज इन बॉक्स. So we write first numbers of cube is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of cube, because here is a cube. Okay, so volume of cuboid formula, length into breadth into height. Volume of cube is equal to length into length into length. So here length 30, 20 and 10, and cube it means length सब same होती है 5, 5 and 5. Okay, so we reduce it. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 4 are 5 ones are and 2 are. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48. So how many cubes are arranged? That is a 48 cubes. So how many cubes having sides? So 48 cubes can be arranged in the cuboid. Okay, हम कितने बॉक्स क्यूब अरेंज कर सकते हैं? दैट इज अ 48. सेकंड वन, a carton box measure 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. How many soap measuring 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter can be arranged in the box? Here is one big carton. Its measurement is given, length, breadth and height. And measurement of soap also given, 8, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So number of soap is equal to, we write volume of carton upon volume of soap. Volume of carton, it means carton is big. So I write here capital letter में हम दोनों के वॉल्यूम दोनों क्यूबॉइड हैं. Carton also cuboid and soap also cuboid. So I write the formula in this way. It is big carton, so I can write in capital letter length, breadth and height. And soap it's small, so length, breadth and height. Okay, so here is a carton 40 centimeter, 20 and 10. So 40, 20 and 10, 8, 4 and 2. Okay, so 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40, 4 ones are and 5s are 2 ones are and 5s are. So 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. So how many soaps arranged? 125 soaps can be arranged in the box. That is our final statement. And third one, a box measuring 30 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. How many tiles having a length 10 centimeter, breadth 9 centimeter and height 2 centimeter can be arranged in the box? So number of tiles, volume of box, volume of tiles. Tiles also cuboid and box also cuboid. And it's a big one, so I write in capital letter length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. ये कैपिटल लिखने से मालूम हो जाएगा कि that is a cuboid and it is a big one carton. So here is 30 into 15 into 10, 10 into 9 into 2. 0 0 cut. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are and 5s are and 2 ones are into 5s are. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 tiles. How many tiles? 25 tiles. Can be arranged in the box. कितनी टाइल्स अरेंज कर सकेंगे? It is 25 tiles can be arranged in the box. Fourth one, a cuboid tank measuring 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 40 centimeter. The tank is full of milk. How many liter of milk in there in the tank? Here 10,000 ml is equal to 1 liter is given here. It is cuboid shape, so we write volume of tank is equal to L into B into H. So here 15 into 10 into 40. 15 fours are 60 and then 2 zeros, so 6,000 centimeter cube. Here you write the 1 unit 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. ये आप लिख लो. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. हमें जो आंसर फाइंड करना है that is how many liters. Okay, how many liters? So हम लिखेंगे 1000 cubic. Here is centimeter cube. हमें कन्वर्ट किस में करना है? लीटर में. So 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So 6000 it is a cube. Cubic centimeter is equal to how much liter? That is a divide. 6000 divided by 1000. ये दोनों कट हो जाएंगे. It is a 6 liter. So how many liter milk? It is a 6 liter milk. Question number 8. The students of class 12 are going for trekking. They have luggage for 7 days. Following items are needed for 1 day meal of each student. Here items are given. First, flour means atta 200 gram, rice 100 gram, pulses 1/3 of the weight of flour and rice, oil 50 gram, sugar 50 gram, milk powder 60 gram, tea 10 gram, groundnut gram 60 gram, salt 5 gram, dried onion 10 gram, dried tomato 10 gram. Okay. Then here first question, how much flour, rice and pulses are needed for 7 days for each student? So first is flour. 1 day flour 200 gram. So 1 day is equal to 200 gram. So 7 day how much? So multiply 200 multiply 7 is equal to 1400 gram. Rice 1 day 100 gram, so 100 into 7 is equal to 700 gram. Pulses is 1/3 weight of flour and rice. So what is the weight of flour is 200 gram and rice is 100 gram. उसका हमें 1/3 करना है. So 200 upon 3 plus 100 upon 3. So 200 plus 100 is equal to 300 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, it means 100 gram. So pulses 100 gram each day. So 7 days is equal to 100 gram into 7 is equal to 700 gram. So flour for 7 days 1400 gram, rice 700 gram and pulses 700 gram. Suppose we convert it is 1400 gram. So you divide by 1000. Then 1 kg and 400 gram डिवाइड कर दें 1400 को 1000 से, बिकॉज 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. तो कर दें तो हियर इज अ पॉइंट आफ्टर 3, हियर इज 3 डिजिट. सो आई कीप द पॉइंट आफ्टर 3 डिजिट मीन्स 1 kg and 400 gram. Okay. Then second one, how much tea, sugar and milk powder are needed for 10 students for 7 days. Okay, 4 ones. Here is tea. What is the weight of tea? See your question. It is 10 gram. So it's for each student. So 10 student is how much? So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. 100 it's for 1 day, so 7 days equal to how much? So 100 into 7 is equal to 700 gram. Sugar 1 day, see your question. Sugar 1 day, that is a 50 gram. And it's for each student, so 10 student how much? 10 into 50, it means 500 gram. 500 for each day, so 7 day how much? So 7 into 500, 3500 gram. Convert into kg, it means keep point after 3 digit, that is a 3 kg and 500 gram. Then milk powder 60 gram for each day. For each student, so 10 days is equal to how much? So multiply 60 into 10 is equal to 600 gram. It's for 1 day, so 7 day how much? 7 6 are 42 gram. So we convert into kg, so 4 kg and 200 gram. That is our answer. Then third one, how much groundnut gram, salt and oil are needed for 15 students for 7 days. Okay, groundnut gram. Where is the groundnut gram? See, here is a 60 gram for each student. So here is a 15 student. So 60 into 15 is equal to 15, 6 are 90 and 1 0 is equal to 900. And in 900 for 1 day. So 7 day how much? So multiply by 7. 7 9s are 63. 6300 gram. We convert into kg. Keep point after 3 digits. So 6 kg and 300 gram. Salt, question, that is a 5 gram. So 5 gram for 1 student. So 15 student how much? 15 5s are 75 gram. And it is for 1 day. So 7 day how much? So multiply, then we will get 525 gram. Oil, that is a 50 gram. See your question. Oil 50 gram for each student. So 15 students how much? 15 5s are 75 and 1 0 into 7. 750 into 7 is equal to 5250 gram. We convert into kg, that is a 5 kg and 200 gram, that is our answer. Then how much of the fresh onion should be dried for 5% for 7 days? Okay, dry fresh onion and dry onion, here is a given 1 kg of onion or tomato became dry 100 gram when the water inside the dryer. Okay, so 100 gram for each student. So 5 student how much? So 5 into 100 is equal to 500 and it's for 1 day. So 7 day how much? 7 5s are 35. So 3500 gram. We convert into kg, it means 3 kg and 500 gram, that is our answer. Okay, here is what is the total weight of the food in each person's bag for 7 days. Okay, here is each person bag में कितना total weight होगा. So we find the each day weight of the items are given. So we find the 7 days. First you see flour 200 for each day. So 7 days equal to 1400 gram. Rice each day 100. So 7 days 700 gram. Pulses each day 100 into 700 gram. Oil 50 into 7 is equal to 350 gram. Sugar 50 each day, so 7 days 350 gram. Milk powder 60 into 7 is equal to 420 gram. Tea 1 day 7, 1 day 10 and 7 days 10 7s are 70 gram. Groundnuts 60 into 7 is equal to 420 gram. Salt 5 gram each, so 7 day 35 gram. And dry onion 10 into 7 is equal to 70 gram. Dry tomato 10 into 7 is equal to 70 gram. After getting we add it. हम इसे क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. Then you will get here 4585 gram. It means 4 kg and 585 gram total weight. Okay. Now I finish this video. We will meet in third part of this chapter.